this down for the sake of the ones that don't have the paper in front of them. So some tenths, don't know how many. Then 42 more tenths. Total 60. So I started with some tenths. Then some campers came along and added 42 more tenths. And then at the end, I had a total of 60. So where would you plug in 60 and where would you plug in 42 here? Go ahead and figure that out. Plug it in. Set up your standard algorithm. Make sure you frame it, box it before you solve it. So I'm going to give you about 45 seconds to fill in and solve. Go. All right, let's go ahead and fill in our number bond. So if you decided that 60 was your total, your whole, you're absolutely correct. Plug it in. And if you decided that 42 was a part, absolutely correct. If you need to make changes, go ahead and do so. And then we always know that our bigger number goes up top, 60. And our smaller number goes at the bottom, 42. And it tells me to find your other part. You need to subtract your part from your whole. So I know I need to subtract. That's the operation we'll be using, okay? All right. More on the floor. You gotta go next door. So 2 is greater than 0. So I have to borrow from my tens place. So if I take a 10 away, I'm left with 5 tens. And I move that 1 10 into my box. Move that 0 into my box because I don't want my number lonely. So I now have 10 at the top, okay? So now I am able to solve. So everybody should know 10 minus 2, 10. Take 2 away, I'm left with 8. Okay? This frame is going to make sure that my numbers are lined up correctly and everything is in its proper place. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Great job. So if you got 18 for that and plugged it in, awesome sauce. Awesome. Great job. All right. So we're going to move on to this written portion, your number sentence. How would I write this out? So if you chose to do 60 minus 42 and 18, then you're absolutely correct. Word sentence, the number camp, the camp had blank tenths to begin with. How many did they have to begin with? They had 18. Plug that in. See, that's not so bad. Word problems are not so bad once you break them down. Oh my, so this is the last problem of the day. How do you feel about this? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling confident, okay? Just remember, always refer back to your anchor chart, okay? And you can make your own personal anchor chart at home. So you can just pause the video and just write down what you see, draw out what you see, draw the steps, and then you can always use that whenever you need it, okay? So I really miss you guys. And FYI, at Uplift Wisdom, if you're at Pinnacle, then they will be passing out packets during the breakfast and lunch time. So look forward to that email. You should be getting it today. Okay. Today is Friday, March 20th. And we made it through this week. You did it. You did it, parents. You did it. Great job. All right, so that's the end of our lesson for today. If you need to go back and review the video, feel free. I don't know if you can leave comments, but if you can, please leave some comments so that I can improve as we go through this process. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your Friday. Goodbye. Bye.